Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Infura testnet deployment with verified source detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up an Infura testnet deployment with a verified source, begin by creating an Infura account. Visit the Infura website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details and complete the registration process. Once registered, log into your Infura account. Navigate to the dashboard and click on Create a new project. Enter a name for your project and select Create. In the project settings, locate the network options. Select the appropriate testnet, such as Robson or Rinkby. Copy the project ID from your Infura dashboard. Next, ensure you have the necessary development environment. Install Node.js if you haven't already. Set up a new project directory on your local machine. In the terminal, initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init-y. Install the required dependencies with the command npm install ethers.env. Create a new file called .env in your project directory. In this file, add your Infura project ID and set it as an environment variable, like so, Infura_project_ID equals your _project_ID. Now, create a new JavaScript file for your deployment script. In this script, require the necessary packages at the top of the file. Use the .env package to load your environment variables. Next, use the ethers library to connect to the Infura testnet. Define your wallet's private key. Load your wallet using the ethers wallet class. Connect your wallet to the Infura provider. Prepare your smart contract for deployment by compiling it. Use a tool like Hardhat or Truffle for compilation if necessary. Once compiled, specify the contract's bytecode and ABI in your deployment script. Create a contract factory using the ABI. Then, deploy the contract with the desired parameters. Be sure to handle the promise returned by the deployment function. Wait for the transaction to be mined. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.